I'm rolling the camera, so.
Well, that's good. That's good stuff. I think so, welcome to the show. Thank you for coming on the show. Would you tell me about what brought you guys together? What did you guys, did you guys meet? Who met first? Who knows each other better? Sorry,
I've known Lily for like 10 years probably, almost. Well, I met you around the time I met Dud, so.
Where?
Well, I think I first met Lily at an MFA show.
What's that? It's on the side.
Sure.
That's probably how they met.
Yeah.
I've known Lily since like the pandemics,
Oh.
and then I met Mary, and then we've been playing with you.
And then
it's been
for
really
like
fun.
3 months I haven't.
I met Katie
So some of this is
pre-pandemic,
pretty
just
recent.
pre-pandemic.
Yeah,
I
some of
met
this
you
is
like
pretty recent.
February.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right, yeah.
That sounds great.
Like wait, where did we? Was it like one of
It
the
was
last
at
shows?
a house concert in this neighborhood.
Oh my god. Where there's
Yeah.
a bunch of weird cheeses.
Paige, it was
there
a
was a bunch
Paige
of
thing.
cheeses, that's all I remember. There's like a bunch of cheeses on like a
Yeah.
coffee table.
Jesus.
Yeah.
It was like one person
I
performing
did
at a
Ween
time.
karaoke, yeah, and you did like an amazing
Some
accordion.
yeah.
Yeah, you
Which
did.
Ween
Yeah,
song
you did.
were you doing?
I did, I'm waving my dick in the wind. I thought it would be a hit. I was like,
So how'd you come up with the name Destinies?
Okay, so one night Lily and I were
It's
jamming.
not Destinies.
No, we weren't even
right.
jamming.
It's Destinies. It's not
That's
Destinies.
you.
It's not Destiny.
Right, nothing.
Destiny. So Lily and I were just hanging out in her when we never played music together. She recorded my band before, but we never like jammed together. And it was just like a serendipitous moment. And we were like, oh shit. And I also gave an electric guitar. I just picked it up and started playing it. I didn't, play guitar. And Lily playing drums. And we were like, this is cool. And then I think I just was getting a lot of inspiration, right? And like writing guitars. And I had COVID. I got it. So I was like, so I had a
Most
sneezing
pleasant way to
attack.
say I've had COVID.
I was having a
And I've never
sneezing
heard
attack,
of it. Great.
but also,
I had COVID and then, yeah.
I remember my brother saying like, don't hold in a sneeze, it could kill you. So that's when I thought of death sneeze. I was saying that kind of sneeze
Oh.
that like is it true that holding in a sneeze can kill you? And I Googled
Right,
that.
right.
It cannot.
But everyone who wanted to write the real truth,
And I believe
yeah,
that
they
had
couldn't
me.
print it, so.
I think people
They
have,
died.
It's been
Yeah.
scary.
they've had aneurysms.
No, they haven't. No, I don't. I only cough. I can imagine that. I don't cough enough here.
Wow. All right. Well, do you have any favorite places you want to play that you haven't played before? Any arenas? Any spots that you want to go to? I mean, small clubs, any places that you like that you never played.
It'd be fun to do.
Okay, so let's set it up for
okay, let's
tomorrow
do it.
night. We'll figure it out somewhere.
There aren't many
Maybe
venues
next
left.
This one is, yeah, this is.
Yeah.
We can make new ones.
Yeah. Well, luckily this house is everywhere, so the house party, you find a house.
There's a new
Oh.
trend in Brooklyn of charging for house parties. People
Oh.
started
That's
charging.
a rec party.
Right,
That is
that's
old,
true.
like the 70s,
Oh my god,
80s.
Right.
I got it, yeah. And like
So-
people were complaining, I was like, I'd rather pay $10 for like a house party with free
Unlimited
eggnog,
booze.
you know?
Unlimited
Yeah.
booze. You can sit on a couch.
Exactly.
You can sleep on that couch.
That is true, yeah.
Every
inspires you more? Well, I'm looking forward to hearing you guys play.
I guess it's not.
Is it
I
time?
don't know. I know you're in the future, so you guys know better than anybody. You can go as slow as quickly as you want. But either way, at some point, your show will